Hey guys, welcome back to my new lecture of Bootstrap 4. Last time we have covered about text colors, background colors and text layouts. Okay, and today in this section we are going to cover a very important topic, that is navigation bar. In any website, if you visit in any website, there is a main thing in a website, that is a navigation bar, okay, that describes the website. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to cover some different navigation bar and navigation bar styles. Today we are going to work on a simple navigation bar. Okay, I have created a navigation bar that look like a simple. I'm going to show you. Look out, this is a navigation bar that we are going to create. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, last time we have covered about text colors and buttons. Today I am going to create a new file, that is navbar.html. Perfect. Use the short key PF or enter. Perfect. And just Control X and go to head and copy these files from head. Okay, first of all, the first thing, use nav and use nav and add a class here, navbar, and navbar expand. I'm going to make it to large, so LG. Okay, and navbar light and make it a color is color light, and background color I have told you another here is light. Okay, I want to set the name like the brand name. So what can I do? Use anchor tag and href hash. Okay, and class use navbar brand. Okay, and add the name here. I am creating a button here. Why I am creating a button, I will tell you at the last. And okay, class particular type button data toggle class data toggle collapse, and the next thing is that data target, where we are actually targeting this data target. Target hash navbar. Use hash and set any name. Okay, and you are required to add some thing here, aerial controls and area expand false and toggle the navigation bar also. Just copy this, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and in here I'm also using a span. What is span? Why I'm using a span, just leave for the timing, I will tell you. Okay, navbar icon, your icon. Okay, and okay, sorry, the span must be in the button. Okay, so just Control X this, and after a neighbor and Control paste it here. Okay, and now use div, use class collapse and navbar collapse, navbar collapse. Okay, and use an ID here, that particular ID navbar without hash. Okay, and next thing is that now I'm going to add another list here. In another list, use here navbar nav and make it to the auto. Okay, and after that use li, set the class name is nav item, and I've told you about the active class, which navbar type you want to make active. Okay, in a list use an anchor tag here, href. We don't have a page right now, so use hash and class navlink. Okay, and add the name here home. I'm just going to copy this, control copy, and after closing a list tag, just paste it here and set it to the contact and another I'm going to copy again, and I'm going to set about. Okay, just finish, Control S or autosave. For autosave, just go to the file, okay, and check the autosave. So don't need to save again and again. I'm going to D folder where the Bootstrap folder I have created yet, okay, in the previous video, and this is my navigation bar file, HTML file. Okay, it is running. Look out, perfect, our navbar has been created successfully. And if I make it small, so look out, there is a button, that is the actually button that I have created. Look out, this is the button, and this is a span of navbar icon which you are actually looking in the dash. If I click on this, look out, it is actually scrolling, and that's why I use that particular ID in my that particular div to scroll the navigation bar, and it is a responsive. Okay, so if I scratch this and again I scratch this more, so it will automatically remove the button, and if I make it to the mobile responsive view, it will automatically show my page and it's scrolling. Okay, another thing is what I'm actually going to do is background colors. If I make it a color light to dark, so what is the following output? Let me show you. Make Control F5 again. So look out, the following output, the background color is black. Okay, so that's why, that is how can you use the background colors. Again I'm going to change the another color, and I'm going to set the color is primary. So what is the following output? Just Control F5. Look out, perfect, it makes look like a light blue color. Okay, so this is how you can make a simple navigation bar with the using of the Bootstrap. Okay, we are going to cover more lessons of the navigation bar where I'm going to define about different styles of navigation bar with the different methods. Okay, and we are also going to cover some different navigation bars like in drop down navigation bar, and a different type of like navigation bar on a picture. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.